Removing holy colors from your face requires a gentle approach to avoid irritation or damage to your skin. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively remove holy colors. Use oil. Start by applying a generous amount of oil, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil, to your face. Massage the oil gently into your skin, focusing on areas where the color is concentrated. Allow the oil to sit. Let the oil sit on your skin for a few minutes to loosen the color pigment. This will make it easier to remove the colors without scrubbing too hard. Wipe with a soft cloth after the oil has had time to work. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe away the color gently. Avoid using rough or abrasive cloths, as they can irritate your skin. Cleanse with a mild cleanser. Once you've removed as much color as possible with oil, wash your face with a mild cleanser. Choose a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type and avoid harsh chemicals that could further irritate your skin. Use a face scrub, optional. If there are still traces of color remaining, you can use a mild face scrub to gently exfoliate your skin. Be gentle and avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can cause irritation. Moisturize. After cleansing your face, apply a moisturizer to help soothe and hydrate your skin. Look for a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type and contains soothing ingredients like aloe vera or cucumber. Avoid harsh scrubbing. While it may be tempting to scrub vigorously to remove stubborn color, this can damage your skin and cause irritation. Instead, be patient and use gentle circular motions when cleansing your face. Repeat if necessary, depending on the intensity of the color and the type of pigments used. You may need to repeat the process several times to completely remove the color from your face. Protect your skin after removing the holy colors. Apply a sunscreen with the SPF to protect your skin from sun damage, especially if you'll be spending time outdoors. Consult a dermatologist if needed. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort after removing the holy colors, consult a dermatologist for further advice and treatment. By following these steps and being gentle with your skin, you can effectively remove holy colors from your face without causing irritation or damage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel and recommend it to your friends. Stay informed